Protect quality manager,
Yeah.
Jeff Jeru.
Yes.
My flight is on July 3, and we will meet on July 4. Then after that, he will. I think he will go with Indonesia also. Working with Protect has many travels, different places. Actually, Prashant is already at Thailand today,
Nice.
and he will go tomorrow, and I think he will also fetch her tomorrow. So I have a friend. I just met her just this day,
Yeah.
going to Bali, Indonesia,
Yeah.
and she will take vacation there.
Yeah. It's very very good place for tourists, especially for American, Australia. They prefer go to Bali.
It is the same. We have the same place as Bali.
Yes.
It is called Boracay, and Boracay, yeah. And there are also lots of tourists there. Millions of tourists every year.
Yes.
They like to go on swimming on the beaches, scuba diving, windsurfing. Most of the Americans and the Europeans like to go on the beaches because they don't have any beach at all. Most of place in Europe.
Yeah. So similar in Bali also.
Yeah.
Can fly again to Bali. Just using flight maybe about 1 hour, 1 hour only
1 hour.
from Jakarta to Bali. To Philippines,
Oh yeah.
their face, their skin color is
The
similar
same.
like
The same.
you.
Yeah.
Even some of them speaks Tagalog
Oh.
because of very near to
Mhm.
Philippines.